Good morning, children. Welcome in today's class. Our today's topic is water pollution. Pollution, we all know that mixing of unwanted elements in anything results in pollution. Today, we are going to discuss about water pollution. Now, the question is, how does water get dirty? Throwing garbage in the water bodies, mixing of detergent, washing clothes in rivers and ponds, cleaning of animals, waste from the factories which flows and it gets mixed with the pure or with the clean water. Then other human activities and animal activities results in water pollution. We should not waste water. Water acts as a universal element. People need it to grow crops and to operate factories and for drinking. Day by day, water resources are decreasing by so many human activities. The substances that pollute water are called water pollutant. Water becomes polluted by following reasons: release of harmful chemicals from industries, which leads to toxicity in plants and animals, then discharge of waste directly into water streams. Animal waste could also add dangerous things into the water. Water get polluted with air contamination, means acid rain. Pesticides and insecticides, then the death of the human and the animals in the water bodies also results in water pollution. There are some religious activities also which results in water pollution. Religious activities like immersion of the ashes of the dead and the idol of gods in water also makes the water dirty. According to the many रिचुअल्स या आप जो आपकी संस्कृति है उसके अकॉर्डिंग वंस आपके जो एशेस होते हैं, जो डेड बॉडीज़ होती हैं, उन्हें बर्न किया जाता है नियर द होली रिवर्स एंड द एशेस दे आर इमर्शन ऑफ एशेस, उन्हें बहा दिया जाता है. इमर्शन मीन्स उन्हें नदी में प्रवाहित करना. देन इन मैनी फेस्टिवल्स ऑल्सो लाइक आपके नवरात्रि में या फिर गणेश चतुर्थी में जो आइडल्स होते हैं या आपके घरों में भी जो भगवान जी होते हैं उन्हें प्रवाहित किया जाता है, अगर आपने सुना होगा. तो दिस ऑल्सो रिजल्ट्स इन वाटर pollution. It also makes the water polluted because these idols they are made up of cement and they are made up of plaster of Paris. तो ये जब मिक्स नहीं होती हैं वाटर में, this results in the pollution of water. Then this also results in damage to the aquatic life also. जो animals जो water में रहते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स. उनके थ्रॉट में कभी कुछ आपके ये एलिमेंट्स अटक जाते हैं या कुछ, तो उससे वो एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स को भी हार्म मिलता है बिकॉज दे कंज्यूम दोज थिंग्स. जो भी पानी में हैं दे आर कंज्यूमिंग दोज थिंग रेगुलरली. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स रिजल्ट्स इन वाटर पोल्यूशन. डिस्चार्ज ऑफ फूड वेस्ट एंड डिटर्जेंट्स. आपके पैकेट्स में बहुत सारे फूड आइटम्स जो वेस्ट हो जाते हैं, वेस्ट यू ऑल नो, those things which are of no use. तो we throw those things without thinking कि वो कहाँ जा रही है. So many people they discharge those things, वो उन्हें फेंक देते हैं in water bodies. Water is also polluted by the discharge of liquid waste from power plants and factories into the rivers. So how we can reduce or how we can minimize the water pollution, it is in our hand only. हम हैं जो इन्हें जो steps ले सकते हैं to keep the water or to keep our natural resources clean. Let's see the effects of water pollution. Waterborne diseases like typhoid, diarrhea, these are the result of water pollution. Skin problems like rashes, headache, fever, yellowing of teeth, liver damage, neurological problems, degraded immune function, decreased fertility, and harm to aquatic animals. How can you control this water pollution? There are very easy steps which we can follow by which we can control this water pollution. Mixing of chlorine. Chlorine is a chemical. It is a white colored powder which you can mix for treatment of polluted water. It cleans the water. आप अपने घरों में भी ये पाउडर रख करके आप अपने टैंक में जो वाटर टैंक्स हैं उनमें ये डाल सकते हैं. इससे जो इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं छोटे छोटे या जो भी आपके इम्प्योरिटीज़ हैं वो हट जाती हैं. So it is very easy. You can keep chlorine powder in a box and you can add a pinch of chlorine powder in the water which you are using or other water bodies which is near or in your surrounding. Laws for industrial units should be strictly implemented. Means there are many laws. जितनी भी फैक्ट्रीज़ ऑपरेट करती हैं और जो इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं देयर आर सर्टेन लॉज विच दे हैव टू फॉलो, बट क्या होता है दे आर नॉट फॉलोइंग इट एंड द अदर पीपल दे आर ऑल्सो नॉट कंसीडरिंग दीज थिंग्स, या वो इन चीज़ों को ध्यान भी नहीं रखते हैं कि उन्हें ये लॉज फॉलो करने हैं. सो जो भी ऐसे एक्ट में इन्वॉल्व हैं, those who are the owner of the factories, they should properly implement or they should properly follow the laws for industrial units. Using filters for safe water in homes. पोर्टेबल वाटर या फिर अभी तो आप सभी के घरों में फ़िल्टर्स होते हैं, बट पहले ये फ़िल्टर्स नहीं होते थे तो उसमें कुछ तरीके थे. देयर वर सम प्रोसेस बाय विच यू कैन क्लीन दैट वाटर. पहले जो वाटर बॉडीज से आता था लाइक पॉन्ड से या फिर रिवर्स से जो पानी आता था उन्हें रख दिया जाता था थोड़ी देर के लिए कि सारी इम्प्योरिटीज़ जो है वो सेटल डाउन हो जाएं. फिर वेरी सिंपल वे, अगर आपके पास प्योरीफायर नहीं है, बॉयल वाटर बिफोर ड्रिंकिंग. आप सिंपली वाटर को बॉयल कर लीजिए. इससे भी जितने भी जर्म्स हैं वो सब उसमें ख़त्म हो जाते हैं. सो दीज आर द सिंपल टेक्निक्स विच यू कैन यूज़ टू कीप योरसेल्फ away from the waterborne diseases. So the elements which are responsible for water pollution are all the water bodies, all the dirty water from bathrooms and kitchens flows into drains and from the drain it goes into rivers. This results in water pollution. The dirty water that comes out of factories has many harmful chemicals. The waste water from factories goes into rivers and lakes, making it dirty. Salt and other suspended solids, such as soil waste washed off from fields, also make the water dirty. Activities like bathing, washing clothes, etc. in rivers makes the water dirty. Then many religious activities like immersion of the ashes of the dead and the idol of gods in the water also makes the water dirty. So in this module we discussed causes of water pollution, then what are the effects. The water pollution results in many water related diseases or waterborne diseases like typhoid, diarrhea, rashes on skin, a weak immune system, immunity तो अभी के टाइम में you all know the word immunity means your power to fight with the diseases. Then immune system in your body, it also get affected by the water pollution. So these are the causes and the effect of water pollution, and the most important thing is what steps you can take to reduce this water pollution. By using chlorine, by not throwing waste product in the water bodies, by following the rules जो भी फैक्ट्रीज़ के लिए और इंडस्ट्रीज़ के लिए रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस हैं, those factories should follow that rule and orders and laws. So these simple steps. Then using water purifier in houses, अगर आपके पास purifier नहीं है, boil water before drinking. That is the simplest and the most effective way to keep your body away from the waterborne diseases. I hope water pollution is clear. We will discuss air pollution in our next class. Thank you.